What happens when job vacancy fall about household wealth keeps rising? Australia's about to find out. Australia's experiencing an economic paradox. Fewer job opening but skyrocketing household wealth. Job vacancy dropped to 5.2% to 330,000 in August, the ninth straight decline. Meanwhile, household wealth hit 16.5 trillion in June, thanks to the rising property values and superannuation gains. This could reshape Australia's economic landscape, affecting everything from wage growth to housing affordability. Interestingly, despite the higher interest rate, house prices are still climbing in most areas, driven by supply constraint and increased investor activity. As we move away from pandemic era economic supports like the term funding facilities, we might see significant changes in credit availability and overall economic dynamics. If you're curious about how this trend might affect your financial future, stay tuned for more updates on Australia's evolving economy.